The Masters mini-meet finally happened last Saturday after being postponed due to weather the week before. The day began with a march past and speeches before starting off with a quick sprint from government dignitaries. Due to the various activities on the day, there weren't that many competitors, but there were representatives from at least 10 villages. Nonetheless, it was all very entertaining seeing some of the champions from back in the days bring their game to the track. But the champions for this year 2010 for the 30 to 39-year-olds women went to Melanie Mangtongia and men's Justin Mokoya. In the next category, 40 to 49-year-olds, that went to Tanya Tangilangi and Arthur Pihingia. 50 to 59-year-olds women's champ went to Luisa Opotoa and men's Bill Mutfo. 60 to 69-year-old ladies, Hita Pautonga and men's champ Hamuko Lima. In the final category, 70 plus, that went to Hene Welsh and Nafetu Sipili. The final tally up of scores at the end of the day saw Alofi way ahead in the lead with 371, in second placing Lakapa with 234 points, and in third, Toi with 191. This will also be the last event for the New Athletics Association for 2010, and they hope for more competition in the new year.